Hi everyone, this is another in my little review videos and tips about reviews. And people often say, how long do people have to leave a review on Etsy? They have 100 days, and Etsy says, I think that it's at the end, like it starts at the end of the processing time or like the estimated arrival date. Sometimes I receive something in the mail and that review window has not opened on Etsy yet because I go to leave the review and it says I can't. So it just depends whatever Etsy opens that up. But once they do open that review window up, they have 100 days to leave a review or to change a review that they have left. So that's why in another video I say to go ahead and respond to every single good review, respond it and lock it in, because then the customer can't come back and change it. And there have been situations where people come and drop a 5-star review to a 1-star because they broke the thing or whatever the reason, but they have 100 days to respond to a review. And you need to just be aware of that. And sometimes people will write to you after a year and say, I want a refund because I just dropped this and it broke. No, you don't have to worry about that. And they're not going to be able to open a case. They're not going to be able to change a review. After 100 days, that is locked in and they can't do that. So don't worry about that kind of thing for unreasonable requests like that. But just be aware, and this has happened to me, that people will come in on day 99 and leave a review for something and you're like, I have no idea what they're talking about if they have a complaint or whatever it is, because it was 100 days ago, but they can still do that. So it's 100 days when Etsy opens that review window, and I think it's based on the estimated arrival time, but it seems to change. But regardless, it's 100 days. I will talk to you later.